Very good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pathfinders Trainings. I'm Yogeshwar Vashishtha. Thank you for attending my webinar. I'm conducting these introductory webinars for last 17 years now. I knew about stock market when I was 38 years of age. You know, I started professional trading when I was 42 years of age. Today I'm 58 years old, and I've seen all kind of markets: bullish market, bearish market, sideways markets, and we will be talking about how you can take it as an aspirational goal. Most people think about making money in the stock market. Of course, that is very important. That's why you are here. But then to make money in the stock market, you need to have a mindset. You need to have a mindset. We'll be talking about that. So it's a risky place if you don't know what to do, but so is life. When we are born, no guarantee we will live forever. So is driving if you don't know how to, you know, learn how to drive a car. It is a risky place. Even crossing a road, if you have not been trained, is a risky place. Boxing arena is a risky place if you don't know how to do boxing. So risk is everywhere. Life is risk. And only those people grow, survive, and thrive, those who have the capacity of taking risk, managing risk, and creating their growth out of risk. And that's what we'll be talking about today. This is not a recorded video. Amin Pochi, this is not a recorded video. Today is 17th of May, 11:34. It is a live video, no recorded. Okay, so let's start. So, and I always promote stock market as a new skill to make money, as an alternate skill to make money. We all have one skill to make money. You are either doing a job, you are doing a business, you are a consultant. How do you earn your money, guys? Write in the chat box. Chat box is private. Only I can see what you write. So, how do you make your money? Yes. How do you raise your money? Volume is fine, Amol, from my end. I'll still raise it a little. Yeah, no, volume is fine from my end. Yes, how do you make your money? Job. Okay, if you have a job, what kind of job do you have? What kind of job do you have? Are you engineer? Are you a doctor? Are you retired? Are you an IT guy? Call center manager? Kash's money plant is not working. Vijay is IT sector programmer, engineer. So a lot of, a lot of people, electrical and metro safety professional, business. That's brilliant, basically. That's brilliant. Great, guys. Thank you very much. Most of the people have joined. I've got a big attendance of 151 people so far. So let's go ahead. So there are three categories of people into the stock market. One is beginners. One is those who have done something, you know. So let me start by asking a very simple question to you. Very simple question to you. I'll start by asking, given a choice for your long term portfolio, Which stock would you like to buy? Reliance Industries or Chamanlal Shethia? Chaliye, let's see. Which one gives more? Would you like to buy Reliance Industries or Chamanlal Shethia? See, 72% people said Reliance. I'll show you here. 72% people, almost 70 people out of 157 have participated, and 71 said Reliance, and 27% said Chamanlal Shethia. Let it run for 30 more seconds. 74% Reliance and 27% Chamanlal Shethia. I'll end the poll now. All right. Thank you for this big participations. Almost 100 people participated. Great. So I'm ending the poll. Now tell me, all those who said Reliance Industries, have you seen the balance sheet of Reliance Industries? Have you seen the balance sheet of Reliance Industries? All those who said Reliance Industries. Guys, is my voice okay? One or two people say the voice is weak. Voice is fine. All is okay. Okay, fine. Except two people, the voice is fine, guys. So I'll carry on. Just restart your computer. Great. So I'll go more near the mic. I'll increase it more to the maximum here. Is it better now? I've increased the volume now. Is it better? Just give me a confirmation. Okay, now voice is better. Fine, Praveen. Thank you very much for the input. So now you said, yeah, exactly. Have you seen the balance sheet of Reliance? Now, another question. Do you come to the stock market to make money or to buy a brand? Do you come to the stock market to make money or to buy a brand? Make money. So let's look at the facts. Now let's come to a concept of the stock market called facts versus reality. Facts versus reality. Now let's first go to the viewer's choice, Reliance Industries, and let's look at the last 3 years of Reliance. In 3 years, market has gone up. What has Reliance given you? This is Reliance. And if you look at Reliance, we see in the last 3 years, Reliance has not given you any profits at all. If I look at from 22 to 25, it hardly gave you any profits. Reliance is flat. You assume because it is a big brand, it will give money, but the fact is, Reliance has not given you anything. But Reliance is still my favorite stock for futures and options trading, where Reliance gives me 36% per year returns. I will show you that also. Now, let's look at Chamanlal Shethia. Most of you have not heard the name. Most of you did not say Chamanlal Shethia because you have never heard the name. You know, you have never heard the name. And in the last 3 years, Chamanlal Shethia has gone from 115 to 318. It has, what is the return it has given to you? It has given to you 202 divided by 115 into 100 divided by 3. It is giving a return of 58% per year. Now tell me, given a choice now, would you like to buy Reliance Industries और चमनलाल शेठिया? आपने इसलिए नहीं बोला क्योंकि आपने कभी उसका नाम ही नहीं सुना था. चमनलाल, ऑफ कोर्स. यदि कभी भी कोई रिलायंस बोल रहा है तो मेरी क्लास में बैठने जैसा नहीं है. राइट? नाउ let's understand the fundamental difference. There are two kind of stocks. One are stocks having market cap greater than 1 lakh crores. Market cap greater than 1 lakh crores. Those stocks are not used for portfolio building. They are used for F&O trading. And there are stocks for less than 1 lakh crores, and those stocks are used, or let's say 50,000. 50,000 भी चलेगा. Stocks having market cap more than 50,000 crores are used for futures and options trading. Okay. Now, अभी कुछ लोग होते हैं, देखिए सवाल आने ही वाला था. बोला सर फंडामेंटल चेक करके बताओ. प्रशांत बियाला ने मुझसे पूछा, सर ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, फंडामेंटल दिखाओ. बराबर है प्रकाश, वो भी दिखाना पड़ेगा. बराबर है. नाउ लेट्स गो एंड चेक आउट द फंडामेंटल्स. और यहां तो आपको, आप घनघोर निराशा में फंस जाएंगे. घनघोर निराशा. छोटी मोटी निराशा नहीं, घनघोर निराशा. लेट्स गो टू रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज. दिस इज रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज. Reliance Industries has a market cap of 19 lakh 70,000 crores, a blue chip company, handed over to the next generation. Return on capital employed 9%. Return on equity 8%. Investment may it has failed here. The first rule of investment is return on capital employed and return on investment should always be more than 15%. Note it down. Return on capital employed and return on equity should always be more than 15%. Okay. Then let's go look to the most important part, P, price to equity. What is price to equity? The current market price of the stock divided by its earnings per share. What is earnings per share? Net profit divided by the total number of outstanding shares of the company. So, this tells how cheap or expensive the stock is. This stock is right now valued at 28 times from the EPS. What does it mean in the layman terms? That for Reliance to justify its price of 1,456, it should be growing at least at about 28% per year. Is it clear to you so far? Everybody? Clear so far? Is the pace okay? Is the style of teaching fine? Fine. Let's go forward. Abhi, what we have to, I'm teaching a very simple method by which within the next 5 minutes, all of you will become good investors. Next 5 minutes only. I have never bought any mutual fund in my whole life. I have never bought any IPO. I believe every IPO is a jua. I only do process-based trading and process-based investing. Now let's go here in this. Now let's go. Profit and loss kahan dikhega? It will show in the balance sheet. So let me go to the profit and loss statement. And this is the earnings per share of Reliance. The latest is 51, before that 51, 49. Let's look at the earnings per share of the last 5 years. Last 5 years का earnings per share लिख लेते हैं. यहां देखो, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. मैं आपको 2 घंटे में सब तो नहीं सिखा सकता हूं, पर जितना सिखा सकता हूं उतना सिखा दो. So it has grown from 29 to 51. So 51. Note करते जाइए, -29. By the way, you will all get a recording of this session. Hey? I have a professional version of Screener. Free version has limited values. This is 22 divided by 29 into 100. So, in last 5 years, Reliance has grown by 75%. So, the per year growth of Reliance is divided by 5 is 15%. Right? It is a 15% growth. इसकी actual growth 15% per year है, and the expectation of the market is 28% per year. Now tell me, is Reliance a cheap stock or expensive stock? Dhanoj Yadav say, what should be the ideal P? There is nothing called ideal P. It is a dream. It's a very expensive stock. Very good, Sunil. Very. Now, how do I know what is the target for Reliance? Now, if I go in this one, then the target for Reliance is 15 divided by 28 multiplied by the current price 1456, 780 rupees. So 780 rupees is the current price of Reliance Industries. Now tell me, would you like to buy Reliance Industries? Anybody, 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 anybody? No? अभी बताइए, was this analysis emotional or process driven? Was this analysis emotional or process driven? It was pure technical, pure process driven thing that we were working on, purely mathematical. Now let's go to Chaman Lal Shethia. Chaman Lal Shethia exports. What is the P of Chaman Lal Shethia? 18 rupees. Very old company from Punjab. They are rice exporters. महारानी ब्रांड, मिठास ब्रांड, बेगम ब्रांड, ये सब इनके ब्रांड हैं. They also have a Maharani diabetic rice. Organic products are there. Okay, and if I go in this in the last 5 years, so we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has grown from 52 to 102. It is growing at about 22% per year. And the P is about 18. So it is more or less on par. It is a growth stock. Would you like to know about a stock which is a multi-bagger and which will go up 10 times? Shall I tell you about a stock which is a multi-bagger and which will go up 10 times? Okay, great. चलिए, let's go here to a stock call. इसका भी आपने नाम नहीं सुना होगा. B.N. Rathi Securities. This is B.N. Rathi Securities here. And B.N. Rathi Securities is a small cap stock, current PE of 11. So what is the market expecting from this? 11.1%. I'm making it too simple. Eh? It is not as simple as it looks. All these parameters also come in play when you decide a portfolio. But I'm trying to raise your interest. अब ये बताइए आपका थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट जगा क्या? आपको ऐसा लगा कि दूसरों के भरोसे जरूरत नहीं है, अपने भरोसे भी कर सकते हैं, राइट? सी हियर. नाउ आई गो हियर इन दिस. Now this is the EPS of B.N. Rathi. It is into broking, which is a growing field in India. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has grown from 0.5 to 2.28. 2.28 minus 0.5 divided by 0.5 into 100 divided by 5. So it is growing at 71% per year. Its P is 11. So we have a 71 divided by 11, 6.4. So its target is 25 into 6.5, 6.45 into 25. So its target is not this much. So it is about a 7 into 25. 175 is the target for these stocks, and these kind of gems are there in the market all the time. So now that we have covered the base, let's now understand what are you supposed to do in the stock market. What are you supposed to do? Now, Prashant, I will answer you also. You will come to the stock market to do two things. One is investing. One is investing. And second is trading. Investing is done with stocks with market cap less than 50,000 crores. Investing is done with stocks with market cap less than 50,000 crores. And trading is done with stocks having market cap more than 50,000 crores in futures and options only. in futures and options only. Investing is done with stocks with market cap less than 50,000 crores, and trading is done with stocks having market cap more than 50,000 crores in futures and options only. Now let's hit on it a little more deeply. I go to screener.com, this one here, and I click on screens. Create a new screen. I say, show me stocks with market cap greater than zero. So this will list all the stocks, like 4,927. Almost 5,000 stocks are listed on BSE and NSE, right? Now, let's, अब हमको इसको अलग करना है. ट्रेडिंग वाले अलग करने हैं, इन्वेस्टिंग वाले अलग करने हैं. What are the stocks that are for trading? Market cap greater than 50,000 crores. These are the 183 stocks in which you should only do trading. The mistake most people do is in these stocks they have portfolios. They think because their market cap are higher, they are more safe. In the stock market, don't look for safety. The only safe place I know is a crematorium after we are dead. Then we are safe. Till the time we don't die, we are totally at risk in every aspect of our life. थोड़ा कड़वा लगेगा पर सच. Risk is the backbone of our life. Isn't every job a risk? You might lose it any time. Isn't every relationship a risk? It might break any time. Isn't driving on the road a risk? Isn't traveling in the air a risk? We are creatures of risk. So looking for safety is foolishness. But if you fall in love with risk, that is the key. If you fall in love with risk, risk will give you an obscene amount of money. आप हमेशा रिस्क से डरते आए हो, रिस्क के प्यार में पड़ जाओ. रिस्क है तो इश्क है. Then you will make a lot of money. Then you will make a lot of money. Chalo, anyway, if you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, you have no idea about portfolio building. आपके पोर्टफोलियो में ये स्टॉक्स नहीं होने चाहिए. These are the 173 stocks. Colgate India, Nestle, Life Insurance, TCS, Hindustan Zinc, Page Industries, IRCTC, Britannia, Coal India, Marico, Mazgaon, BSC. Why नहीं होने चाहिए? इसलिए नहीं होने चाहिए क्योंकि they give a very, very less return of 10 to 15% per year. That's all they give. Because these companies have grown and they have reached their peak. We, for portfolio building, we have to look at those companies which are just developing, which are micro caps, small caps, mid caps, some large caps. These are ideal because they grow at 25 to 50% per year. Some even grow at 100% per year. Right? इसीलिए बहुत जरूरी. अच्छा, बाय द वे गाइस, मैं आपको बोनस देना भूल गया. I give a early matlab, attendance bonus because we send a lot of invites, and out of that 217 people have joined. You will get two bonuses today, cash bonus. One is a joining bonus of 200 rupees, and another is a session finishing bonus of 300 rupees. So total 500 rupees bonus you will get today. I'll tell you how to get that bonus. So go to my site algofinders.com here. This is my algo platform. I'm the owner of this platform. And in this, do a free sign up and confirm your email. Once you do a free sign up and confirm your email, you will get a 200 rupees signing bonus immediately, attendance bonus. I'll also need a 5-minute break after talking for an hour. So just start signing, and as soon as you sign, 200 rupees will be cash, real cash, will be immediately deposited into your account. And if you stay till the end in the webinar, 300 rupees more will be added in the end. So in total, you will get 500 rupees of this one. Everybody, anybody who's there. This is for everybody. So start getting your bonus. I'll just instruct the team to start giving you the bonus. I'm giving you 5 minutes, then I'll start again. अभी सबको बोनस देना शुरू कर देना। 200 रुपीज का बोनस अभी है, कैश बोनस, और 300 रुपए का जो एंड तक रहेगा। ठीक है? Yes, guys. I don't do any manual trades. I only do algo trades. Manual trades में नहीं करता हूँ. I only do algorithmic trading. Yeah, just keep on doing your registration. Make sure you confirm your email. The money will be credited into your account once you do the email confirmation. मोबाइल का नहीं करेंगे तो चलेगा, ईमेल का कंफर्मेशन करना जरूरी है. Yes, I'm getting confirmations now. Keep on doing. My job as a coach is to want to make you a rule-based, process-driven, rule-based, process-driven, profitable investor. I want to make you a rule-based, process-driven, profitable trader and investor. You know, no problem, Dheeraj Chaya. You will get it extra. Just tell the team you will get it extra. Only verified emails will get the 200 rupees. So make sure you verify your email. Okay. And if you stay till the end, you will get 300 rupees more. So I want to make you a rule-based, process-driven, profitable trader and investor. Now, let's see here, is it possible? Everything should be supported by an evidence. This is my investors club, which I started in 2019 with a 1 crore rupees of capital, which has now become 2.8 crore rupees, giving me a return of 28.8% per year. If I take out the inflation of 6%, it is 22% per year. So, if you see, let's see, these are actual results. Where can we check them? We can check them on my balance sheets. Let's say I go to this, I run 7 accounts. So you can go to the capital gains here. This is, I started in 1920, 6,000 rupees of loss. 2021, 8,27,000 rupees of profit. 21, 22, 10,22,000 rupees of profit. 22, 23, 52,000 of loss. 23, 24, 32 lakh rupees of profit. 24, 25, 2 lakh 29,000 rupees of profit. And here, minus 42,000 rupees of loss. In my personal account, see, everything should be definable. Report capital gains. Now in 1920, nothing. 2021, 5,46,000 profit. 21, 22, 9,47,000 profit. 22, 23, 3,16,000. 23, 24, 30 lakh 97,000. 24, 25, 2 lakh 96,000. And this year, 82,000. So overall, if you see here, there'll be profits, there'll be losses. And you can see here, overall, my booked profit on 1 crore rupees is 1 crore 36 lakh rupees, which is 141%, which is a profit of 28.8% per year. And I have more than 1,000 people who build portfolio with me, who build portfolio with me. And I also do trading. And how can you do trading? You can do trading with the portfolio money by doing a DP2 pledge. And this is my portfolio. And you can see here, profits, losses, profit, losses, but I have very less losing months, very less. And you can see here, last year my average was 9% per month. And this year my average is about 3.5% so far. So the average I have done over the last about 7 years is 14% per month. So this is the kind of money. Sir, it will take time to credit. There are 205 people. My team will take some time to credit. Hai? So please have a little patience. It will be credited. क्रेडिट जल्दी करना मुझे लोगों ने पूछना शुरू किया मेरा क्रेडिट आया नहीं अब तक ठीक है चालू करेंगे, अकेले मत करो, दो तीन लोगों को ले लो, ठीक है? ओके, यस, एवरीबॉडी विल बी क्रेडिटेड है। Fine. So this is there that we are looking at. So this money is possible. Like if you see here in this, I just made an algo strategy called Rocket. And this strategy we made 5 days ago. And we are all very excited about this strategy. See, day one, 1 lakh rupees of capital. Day one, it gave me 5,600 rupees. Day two, it gave me 5,100. Day three, it gave me 5,600. Day four, it gave me 12,000 rupees. Yesterday, my stop loss was hit and it made 6,000 rupees here. So overall, in 4 days, my capital has grown by 22%. This cannot happen in investing. This can only happen in option trading. So you have two areas to work on. One is investing, where you make a list of undervalued stocks by learning fundamental analysis. I teach that. Second is that you learn how to trade it. Trading is very, very profitable. But if you sit in front of the computer for the whole day and trade, it will not work. Like, for example, here in this one, if I go to Algo Finders, I've been trading for 22 years, so I have made trading baskets, top trading baskets. And these are trading baskets for every budget. I've got a 10,000 rupees basket, a 25,000 rupees basket, a 35,000 rupees basket, 50,000 rupees basket, 1 lakh basket, 2 lakh basket, 3 lakh basket, 5 lakh basket, 8 lakh basket, 10 lakh basket, 15 lakh basket, 20 lakh basket, 25 lakh basket, 50 lakh basket, 1 lakh basket. Would you like me to show one algo strategy building? Sure. Let's do a very simple exercise. पर पहले थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल का चार्ट ले लेते हैं. Now here, tell me one of your favorite stock. कोई भी एक अपना favorite stock बताओ. ये सर ये वाला स्टॉक मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Okay, so I have somebody saying Tata Motors. चलो, let's start with Tata Motors. Tata Motors. अभी सबसे पहले हमको टाटा मोटर की कुंडली निकालनी है. हम पहले यहां गए और हमने यहां ढूंढा टाटा मोटर. अच्छा, बाय द वे ये रह गया था. आपका पोर्टफोलियो किस में बनेगा? लेस देन 50,000 वालों का. मैं सिखाता हूँ ये क्लास में. मेरी क्लासेस भी होती हैं, कोचिंग भी होती है, वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा. पहले सिखा देते हैं. सो देर आर 4,744 stocks, out of which you have to choose 40 stocks. I teach you how to find those stocks, keep those stocks, change those stocks. But let's first go now to Tata Motors. Tata Motors. So now let's look at a few things in Tata Motors. Tata Motors P is 11, which is not very high. So that's the first good news in Tata Motors. The P is very, very, very low. It is a large cap stock, and the Current price is 731 and book value is less than 350. Now, if you see, remember Reliance. What was Reliance ROCE? Reliance का रिटर्न ऑन कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयमेंट कितना था? याद करके बताओ चलो. रिलायंस का रिटर्न ऑन कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड कितना था? 9. वेरी गुड श्रीनी. 28 नहीं था कृष्णा, 9 था. नहीं. देखिए, मुझे पढ़ाना बहुत पसंद है, पर मुझे ये पता नहीं है कि आपको पढ़ना पसंद है कि नहीं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू लाइक लर्निंग? मेरे पास आपके लिए दो रूट है. एक है लर्निंग रूट और दूसरा है डायरेक्ट. लर्निंग रूट क्या है? मुझसे सीख के सब करो. डायरेक्ट रूट क्या है? मेरी स्ट्रेटजीज हैं, उनको सब्सक्राइब करो और पैसा बनाओ. चलो, इसका पोल करते हैं. लेट मी मेक अ पोल. गिव मी अ मिनट, आई विल मेक अ पोल. मेक अ पोल. चलो, लेट्स चेक आउट द सीरियस एंड द शॉर्टकट वाला. Would like to learn stock market or use profitable algo. ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, मैं इस टाइम पे लगभग पूछता हूँ इसको. वुड यू लाइक टू लर्न स्टॉक मार्केट और यूज प्रॉफिटेबल एल्गो ट्रेडिंग? प्रॉफिटेबल एल्गो ट्रेडिंग. बस 1 मिनट है, मुझे 2 मिनट दे. Okay, guys, I made the poll. I will now share it with you. Yes. Would you like to learn stock market or use profit algos? I am so proud. See, I'm just showing you here 206 people in the class. Yeah. 200 people, 204 people now. So it is becoming 50-50, eh? 59% say I want to learn, 41% people say I want to use algos. No problem. Your choice, guys. I'm just checking. Run the poll now. Okay, great. So now Tata Motors has a free cash flow. It is into electrical vehicles. Earning yield is attractive. So now if I look at Tata Motors, so I see that and I check out Tata Motors, and Tata Motors has come out of the loss trap and is becoming profitable. 267, 2690, 31807, 28149. So is Tata Motor now a bullish stock or a bearish stock? Is Tata Motor now a bullish stock or a bearish stock? Guys, how many of you have got 200 rupees? Write in the chat box if you received 200 rupees top up. Me, okay. One, two, three. Okay, then the process is going on. 5, 6 people have said yes, so it is going on. My team is there. They will give you the 200 rupees. I'll also tell you what you can do with that 200 rupees. Okay. Now, so I know now Tata Motor is bullish. So I now go into here and I build a strategy. Now I've understood the basic structure of Tata Motors, and I say I would love to go long on Tata Motor every day. Tata Motor long. I have taken a trade. Now tell me your choice. For trading, would you like to sit in front of the computer every day? Or would you prefer the computer to do the trade and you focus on your job? Which one will you prefer? No emotions, no looking at the market. Exactly. If you are sitting in front of the computer for the whole day, the computer will hypnotize you and take all your money away from you. Okay. So Tata Motor long, Bank Nifty. So we are looking at Bank Nifty future. So I'll change it to Tata Motors because I'm doing Tata Motors. Tata Motors. Tata Motors. And I'll say I'll start my trade every day morning, you know, from 9:16. I'm taking a breakout trade. 9:16 to 9:21. This is my own platform, guys. So, and I'll finish it at 15:50. Okay. And I will work on a maximum risk of 2000 rupees. Maximum risk of 2000 rupees in this. And if I am making a profit of, let's say, 2000 rupees, I will trail 400 rupees, right? So I've given my, what am I trading? What is my risk? 2,000 rupees is my maximum risk that I'm taking. And if my trade goes into a profit of 2,000 rupees, I will lock 400 rupees. My loss will become zero. 400 will become my guaranteed profit. And I will work on a capital of 25,000 rupees only. Okay. So I have given my second condition. In my algo, no coding is required. Guys, those who have joined late, you can do a free sign up and get 200 rupees cash. Those who have joined late, this is attendance bonus, attendance prize, right? So no coding required here. Now, here in this, I move here. So I've done this part. Now here, I say I will buy Tata Motors option or Tata Motors monthly call option, which is at the money, and I'll buy it only if the price breaks at 921 on the upward side. And we also have the facility of backtesting in this. So I save the strategy now. So my strategy is saved. Now, how do I know whether this strategy is a winning strategy? Whether this strategy is a winning strategy. So I now say, let me backtest it for 1 year. 1 year is a good time for a backtest and see if this strategy is a profitable strategy. And I realized, no, this strategy is not a profitable strategy. So right at this stage, I got to know this strategy is not worth moving into. It is not a worth going into strategy here. Now, I made this strategy 3 days ago. This is a strategy. And we keep on working on this strategy. This is a nifty strategy. So out of the 100 strategies I will make, profitable strategies will be only five. Will be only five. So I made this strategy here. These are the legs. If you see in this strategy, there are 10 legs. This is a 10 leg strategy with a risk of 5,000 rupees. And on every 2,500 loss, I will, you know, trail 500 rupees. And my capital in this is 1 lakh rupees. This is the rocket I was showing you. This I can remove because this is not a very good strategy. So I see, we all think our strategy is the best, but you have to test and retest it. Then only you know. Now you see, let me backtest it once more. Backtest 1 year. Now it is backtesting the strategy. I teach you how to make these kind of strategies in the class, so that once you have made a profitable strategy, you're free for life. You see, what is the yearly return on this strategy? 1,121% is the option buying strategy of 5 legs. And the drawdown is only 12%. We can even see here the detail, the day analysis. 65% of the trades finished in profit, 34 finished in losses. Days average profit 4,992. Days max profit 80,400. Days maximum loss 5,000. Why is this strategy giving me money? This strategy is giving me money because my planned profit is much bigger than my planned loss. Now, before I dig deeper into this, let's understand an extremely important concept of stock market. उसको समझ डाला तो profits झिंगादार. Are you liking the session so far, guys? I hope I'm not boring you. In all my introductory session, I try to give as much value as I can. मैं एंड में कोर्स भी बेचने वाला हूं और वो एंड में बेचता हूं. So, right, let's go forward. Now, there are three pillars of trading. In fact, there are four pillars of trading. Four pillars of trading and investing. Four pillars of trading and investing. Four pillars of trading and investing. First, fundamental analysis. If you have noted, guys, I don't teach much from my PowerPoints. Second, technical analysis. Technical analysis. Third, the money you are getting in your accounts is real money. It is not paper money, real money. Technical analysis की spelling गलत है. Third is risk management. And fourth is psychology of trading. We will now touch on the four parts: fundamental analysis, technical analysis, risk management, and psychology of trading. But before I go that, guys, let me at least introduce myself. Who is the person who is talking to you? So, this is my Facebook page. That's my Facebook page where I regularly write articles. So you can put me here. He is my favorite. Mr. Kedia. He keeps on singing these funny songs. And then here, this is my personal page. This is me and my wife, Dharmishta. We are married for 30 years. We are blessed with two boys, Vedant and Siddhant. Vedant has just finished his master's from America. He did his graduation there. He did his master's there in information technology management. And he'll be coming back, and he has decided to become a full-time trader. The younger one, Siddhant, has done his graduation from Purdue University. He has come back home now, and he's a terror because he's trying to impose American values on us, and we are resisting the American values. So, but good to have both the boys in the house after many years. Okay. And My hobbies are reading, reading, and reading. Currently, I'm writing two books, and one of my books is published on Amazon. It is Stock Market Rules. Yogeshwar. But I want to write more books, you know. किधर गई किधर गई Stock market. Yes, my spelling is wrong. Stock Market Rules by Yogeshwar Vashishtha. If you go on Amazon, you will find it there. That's the book that I published, Stock Market Trading Rules. I have one more book that I'm writing, which will be published soon. That's one. Then here, okay, where is it? I'll do it in brief. This is my company, Pathfinders Trainings. And this is John Bollinger, inventor of Bollinger Band. Learned a lot from him. This is my trading room. I love to trade. I don't like to go to office. I have two offices with a staff of 25 people, but I rarely go to office. My wife, she handles the office part. I like to stay at home, you know. I love books. So two things interest me, money and God. So this is all spiritual books. This is all stock market books. And I keep a book inside only when I have finished the book. This is my NISM certification, which is mandatory now. Valid till 2026. This is my M.Tech degree. I've done my M.Tech from IIT Roorkee, specializing in geotechnical engineering. I only worked in one company from 1992 to 2006, Skanska, a Swedish multinational. I was involved in hydropower projects in Uri, in Sri Lanka, in Sweden, and my last project was in Peru, South America, Yunkan hydropower project. I started learning stock market when I was in Sri Lanka from my first mentor, Jeffrey. Then he encouraged me to learn structurally. So I took admission in Pristine Academy of USA, where I learned for 5 years. Then I came back to India and became a full-time trader. 2008 market crash. I made a lot of money, more than a crore, and I knew this is the business. Then I got another very good opportunity and international exposure from 2010 to 2012. I was part of this international group of traders. Eric, he motivated me to become a coach. He said, when you become a coach, you help many other people, and it also becomes a second source of income for you. So I became a coach, and this was my first batch of December 2012. After that, more than 120 batches like this passed all over India. And then in 2017, I decided to become full-timer, and then, in 2017, I became totally online because it was not possible to travel everywhere. I became online, and now all my courses are online. I run a lifetime of a course, lifetime. 4 months training with lifetime of live trading and mentorship. I believe in empowering people to take financial control in their own hands. And my connection with you will remain for life. And some of my best friends are my traders. That's me, guys. Okay, let's go back here. And Since I'm talking about it, so all those who want to do the course, find many people are asking that. So I'll just introduce that. Nice slideshow. Here is all my classes here. So I do a 4 months online complete stock market training with lifetime of mentorship and live trading. So where I teach everything. I have only one course. I have no basic course, no advanced course, no gimmicks. I have one course, and in that I train you everything. Your relationship with me will be for life. आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं मेरे ऑफिस में आके मेरे साथ चाय पी सकते हैं. This is how the course runs. Let's understand the structure of the course. You know, every person is different. Every person has different kind of money. Everybody has a different age. Everybody has different financial goals. Everybody has different aspirations. That's why one thing cannot fit everybody. That's why it is a personal mentorship model. So once you enroll into the course, first there is a one-to-one goal setting meeting with me. I never delegate it, I take it. I've trained about 8,000 people so far in the last 17 years, and to each one of them, I talk personally. And today I'll talk from 4 o'clock in the evening. From 4 o'clock in the evening, the course will start and I will talk. So, first, there is a 30-minute session. And in this 30-minute session, we discuss your trading journey, your investing journey, your financial goals, and how you will reach your milestones. Remember, in stock market, if you do not have a plan, you will not succeed. Your salary is very serious because all your expenses are linked with it. But for most people, stock market is not serious because their salaries are not linked to it. After that, I give you 1 month to do my foundation course, base course, which is from basic to advanced, in which you learn everything. I teach stocks, futures, options, commodity, forex. You learn fundamental analysis, technical analysis, risk management, psychology of trading. You learn algorithmic trading in detail. After getting trained under me, you will not do any manual trades at all. You will not do any manual trades at all. All my strategies are chargeable. In fact, if you'll take all my basket, they cost 38,000 rupees. But once you become part of the course, for 1 month, all those strategies are given to you for free. You know, so 20 hours of foundation. Once you have done this, you have a dedicated RM, then your live trading with me starts. Live trading is for 3 months. It will be 2 days in the week, every Tuesday and every Friday. Every Tuesday, every Friday, it is for the Tuesday sessions are for 3 months. Friday sessions are for lifetime. They never stop. 9 to 10 in the morning with recordings. Recordings are available for life. Then your portfolio building starts immediately. The moment you are in a session with me in the evening at 4 o'clock or 4:30 or 5, whatever is your time you get my list of curated 40 stocks, which you can start to build your portfolio. Then every Wednesday in the night, 9 to 10, is a topic class, a concept class where a topic is taught. Like I taught Ichimoku. I will teach to you now. After this, I will teach you Ichimoku. So, where I taught how to use Ichimoku indicator to become a good trader. Then I believe meditation is an integral part of a trader since we work only on our mind. So, online meditation sessions are must, and every Thursday 9:30 to 10:30 you will have a meditation session that you will, you know, be getting for life. And I take the sessions. And every Friday there is a lifetime of mentoring. There is live trading, there is query sessions, recording is available, and this is also available to you for life. This is how the course works. I have only one course, I don't have any other course. So you can become a part of this course. And after this, you don't need anything else. You can build portfolios, you can do trading, you can do algo trading, you can create your own strategies, you can find your own stocks, you can do chart trading, you can do technical analysis, price action, you can do multiple things, whatever is there. And the course is continuously evolving. So if any new thing comes, I keep on teaching it in the Friday sessions. Now, this is today's offer for me. The course fees is 60,000 rupees. But today, I'm giving you a special 33% discount, but I can't give it to 200 people. I can only give it to 5 people. So the first 5 people get a 33% discount. They can take the course only in 39,999. You know, you save a 20,000 rupees. This course is for serious people, people who want to take their life to the next level. Then 39,200 strategy baskets you get free for 1 month. You don't have to pay for them. You get them free for 1 month. Hardcore physical book, this one, Perfect Money, is sent to you. This gentleman works under Prime Minister Modi, a brilliant guy who has written a book on big bitcoins. You will not find a book better than this on bitcoins. And four physical books. This is not four, this is four. Four physical stock market books are also sent to you. Once you have paid the fees, you will start by having one-to-one sessions with me. We start today at 4 o'clock. So how these are available on the site, but site there is a full price. I'll give you a special link. I said this is for serious people. This is pay. I have only one course. I have no other course. More than 8,000 people have been trained. This is the course, guys, where all the details are available. But here you have to pay a 60,000 plus GST. But this 39,999 is including the GST. This is the course details. And let me give you the special payment link, which is only for 5 people. First 5 people will get the link. This is the link, guys. This is the link. This is the razor pay link that I have put in, which is for serious people who want to train under me and who want to learn stock market the proper way. So those who want to train under me, who want to work on it, they can take the course and they can start their course today. Today, 4 o'clock, I have 5 slots today, 4 o'clock, 4:30, 5:30, and 6. These are the slots I'll be having today for the session. No, sir, I don't have any installments. since these courses are normally sold very fast, so installment facility is not there. So this offer is till this class is there. We have half an hour more. So this offer is valid for the next 30 minutes. In the next 30 minutes, you can pay. After that, you know. So you only have to ask yourself a question. Is my life more important or 39,000 rupees is more important? That's the only question you have to ask. Is my growth and development more important? Is my financial freedom more important? Or 39,000 rupees is more important? 39,000 rupees you spend on a small holiday. You spend it on a mobile phone. Here I'm giving you a skill of making money. So think and take a decision because I can only give it to 5 people. The first payment has come. The first payment has come from Mr. Murthy. Yeah. Mr. Murthy, I've got your first payment. The first payment has come. Okay, guys. Now let's learn a concept. A concept learn करते हैं of technique. We were learning about fundamental. Let's move into technicals now. One is fundamental analysis. Second is technical analysis. Third is risk management. Let's take one concept of technical analysis. Okay. Let's take one concept of technical analysis and study, add study. Guys, let me run a small poll. I want to run a poll. Just give me a minute. Just give me 1 minute. I've got 2 payments now. Yes. I love to teach, guys. I love this batch. You are asking. Guys, if you have not received the 200 rupees bonus, you will get it for sure. बहुत सारे लोग हैं and I have a limited team. Chetan Gujar, you're very lucky. Lucky. चेतन खुश है आज. Just a minute. I'm making a poll. फिर उसके बाद I'll teach you इचिमोको. बहुत अच्छा इंडिकेटर है. कुछ सिखाते हैं. Okay, guys. I'm just running the poll. Remember, Those who stay till the end will get 300 rupees more. Most of you have received 200. Some who have not received, they will receive, you know, soon. Okay, I've launched the poll. If you can participate, in the poll, I'll be thankful. Hey, second one is no, hai. Second one is not yes. By mistake, I've written both yes. Second one is no. My mistake, hai. Second one is no. First one is yes, second one is no, and third one is I want to discuss with the RM. Guys, 3 payments have come, only 2 are remaining. 3 payments have come, only 2 are remaining. On 5, I will stop. Dhiren Chaya says, I want to share that I have attended a training of Sir many years ago and testify that he is student-centric and concerned in your success. Cheers. Thank you, Dhiren. So nice. Fine. Fine. Let's go. I have 2 more seats, 3 gone, 2 are left. Now let's learn a very, very powerful indicator called Ichimoku indicator. आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा. We have about half an hour. सिखा देंगे उतने में. Ichimoku. It's a Japanese indicator. Apply. अब आप इसको देखेंगे ना तो आप बड़े परेशान हो जाएंगे. ये क्या है? बिल्कुल जलेबी जैसा लगता है. It looks like a jalebi. But this is one of the most powerful indicators, and this is used by the FIIs and the DIIs. Sharad Agarwal says, Sir, I've attended in 2016. Okay, great. Fantastic. So now, what you have to see in this, मैं इसको parts में break करता हूँ पहले, वरना आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. If you look on this one here, सबसे पहले हम तानसेन को निकाल देते हैं, सुचित्रा सेन को भी निकाल देते हैं, और चीकू सेन को भी निकाल देते हैं. हम क्या नाम सब सिखाता हूं मैं, वो इतने डिफिकल्ट नाम में कौन जाने वाला है. अप्लाई. ये हमने पहले बनाया. दिस इज अ क्लाउड. दिस इज अ क्लाउड. द क्लाउड टेल्स मी whether we are bullish or we are bearish. हम bullish हैं या हम bearish हैं. अभी let's take a very simple example in this. ये क्लियर है? ये ऊपर का क्लाउड है. अभी यहां let's take something else. Let's take let's say Tata Motors. Right? ये Tata Motors है. If you look at Tata Motors here, so इसके 3 इंटरप्रिटेशन है इचिमोको के. बहुत पावरफुल इंडिकेटर है, मेरा फेवरेट है. If the price is below the clouds, this cloud is called sumo cloud. SUMO. ये sumo cloud है. This is a sumo cloud. Sumo cloud. Guys, आप, if those who don't want to take the course, you can also buy the strategies. यहाँ पे और आप किसी भी ब्रोकर के यहाँ ट्रेड कर सकते हो. Top trading baskets, you can also buy them, they are cheap. For example, one of my most popular basket is a rocket. This rocket. This rocket of mine is super popular. So if somebody wants to try me first, क्योंकि ये 5 तो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाएंगे, एक ही बचा है अभी. This is a directional rocket. You can subscribe for 1,000 rupees. And I would suggest you try this rocket and deploy it, and my results are very good. So if in case you say, no, I don't want to learn, I want to, just get the ready-made baskets and I will use them, I'm fine with it. So that's your choice. Shailesh say, I want to learn algo trading only. Algo trading is taught in this class. Algo trading is taught into this class. Shailesh Pule. This class covers algo trading in detail. और जब तक आपको टेक्निकल नहीं आएगा, फंडामेंटल नहीं आएगा, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट नहीं आएगा, तब तक एल्गो ट्रेडिंग आपके किसी भी काम की नहीं है, मिस्टर शैलेश फुले. बराबर है. चलिए गाइस, अभी थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं. यहाँ पे इचिमोकू में अभी हमने ये इचिमोकू लिया. इचिमोकू में व्हाट इज दिस? द लोअर क्लाउड is the 52-day moving average. Upper cloud is an average of Tansen and Suchitra Sen. That's what we call them. We don't call the Japanese name. Now let me add this and see if we have a long entry in Tata Motors. Study, add study. यहाँ मैं अभी इसमें गया और मैंने बोला मुझे अब किंजुन सेन भी चाहिए और टेनकान सेन भी चाहिए. Apply. I have Kinjun Sen and Tenkan Sen. Now, if I come here in this, market yahan tha. What is condition number 1? Condition number 1 is price should close above the cloud. The price should close above the cloud. Now, has the price closed above the cloud? Yes or no? Okay. Siptab is a Yogesh, my question in chat not answered. Yogesh, Siptab, can you put your question again? Just give me 1 minute. मैं सबके क्वेश्चन आंसर करता हूँ. 1 मिनट दे दो मुझे, जरा कंसेप्ट समझा दो. अभी यहां देखो, the Tansen, which is the what is this? This is 9-period moving average, and this is a moving average of 26 period. This is a 26-period moving average. Both are crossing each other bullish. So this becomes my entry. This is my entry. And where is my stop loss? My stop loss is below the cloud. Where is the cloud? This is the cloud. This is the candle. This is my stop loss. This is my stop loss. Guys, I have only one seat left. After that, I will not be able to give this price. One seat left. 4 are gone, 1 is left. That's why I keep on looking on the left. I have 4 screens. So now, where will the target be? Now, the beauty of this is target is 2 times that of the stop loss. Stop loss is 41 rupees. Target is 80 rupees. Target is 80 rupees. Target is 80 rupees here. Now, life is very simple now. Now, if you see here, in this is what I'm looking at. It is moving very, very fine. So what I'll do now is, because where is the price now? The price is here. So my entry happened here. Now, what is, let's say, I am trading a future of uh, Tata Motors. Let's say I'm trading a future of to say चलो पहले मैं जरा क्वेश्चन आंसर दे देता हूँ बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हैं sir how you manage four screens how can I set up that any video to help there are a lot of videos on YouTube Kittu but the four screen like first screen I have my chart the second screen I have my Zoom the third screen I have my email the fourth screen I have a chart that's how I do news other things Sunil Boris, I'm unable to find the strategy you shared on Algo Finders. चलो वो भी देता जाता हूँ अभी मैं यहाँ पे जाओगे ना आप you go in this and this is the link of the strategy. This is 1 lakh strategy rocket. This is BVS intraday Nifty directional rocket. This is the strategy. I'm just sharing the link. This is my most popular strategy. And its results are fantastic. Risk is 5,000 rupees. In last 4 days, I've made 22% returns. If somebody wants, see, there are strategies for every budget. Like a 10,000 strategies is only for 100 rupees. 25,000 strategies for 250 rupees. 35,000 strategies for, even this is a very good strategy that people use. यहाँ क्या है, यहाँ सिर्फ आप यूज कर रहे हो. जब आप क्लास में आते हो तो आपको ये सब मैं बनाना सिखाता हूँ. Now, for example, you have a credit of 500 rupees. So you can easily use this strategy. You can use the credit of 500 rupees. You can use for a 50,000 basket because you already have the basket and you have a top up of 500 rupees. You can test the strategy for a month. Got it? Sunil More, I'll ask the team to help you there. What is the use of the balance that is credited? You can use that balance, to trade. You already have 500 rupees. I've given you 500 rupees balance. So you don't have to pay to trade. The regular charge is 20 rupees per trade, but that 20 rupees per trade will be waived off. Okay, मैं सबके क्वेश्चन जरा ले लेता हूँ. Let me go back. Impressive experience, great sir. This is a 299 cost. Then yes, sir. Can we pay the fees in installment? No. Okay. How to verify WhatsApp number for bonus account? It will come on your WhatsApp. Okay. I haven't received 200 rupees bonus. My team will call you back. आज उनका यही काम है. आपको 200 नहीं 500 मिलेंगे जो अब तक बचे हुए हैं 132 लोग बचे हुए हैं तो आपको 300 और मिलेंगे. Now, Siddharth says, is the training interactive both way? No, interactive. Interactive. In fact, I personally talk to my students. 4 to 6 in the evening is the time for the students. 4 to 6 in the evening is the time for the students. If you are in Mumbai and you want to come and talk to me, most welcome. I have a rule. Once a week, I go out to one of my traders. मैं अपने एक ट्रेडर के साथ हर वीक लंच पे जाता ही जाता हूँ. That's how I've made best friends. Okay. I've attended in 2016. I want to learn algo trading. एक मिनट, ये मेरे बहुत सारे पुराने स्टूडेंट. I'm launching a poll. How many of you have done my course before? I'm just launching a course poll. How many of are my old students? काफी हैं बाबा. इतने सारे लोगों ने दोबारा कोर्स कर दो. तुम्हें तो सब आता है. क्लास, फ्री क्लास पे क्यों आ रहे हो? सब तो किया हुआ है तुम लोगों ने. Shailesh Fule, contact my team. I think we have a module only for algorithmic trading. So they might guide you on that one. So contact my team. Okay, 45% people are coming. Great. Thank you. I'm only for trading in cash market and investment. This is Rocket Pack FNO. Mohan R, if you only want to do the cash, then you become part of the investors club, which is part of this. In fact, you'll be surprised to know almost 50% people don't go to FNO. They only do, investments with me. So that is absolutely okay if you don't want to do FNO and you only want to do cash. Absolutely fine with me. Okay, what I'll do is all your queries now will go to my team and they will personally call you and solve your queries. Does it charge to create your own strategies in Algo Finders? No, Sharad. Making your own strategy is free. You're not charged anything. Amount not credited, Mahesh but says want to subscribe to 50K basket strategy. What I'll do now is this chat immediately after this class, I will send to my team and they will call all of you. And if something is not credited, it will be credited. Please remember, यार मेरी इज्जत दांव पे लग जाती है. यदि मैंने बोला कि मैं देने वाला हूं और मैंने नहीं दिया तो इज्जत दांव पे लग जाएगी. सोच लो, 500 रुपये सामने से देता हूँ. अच्छा सुन. शैलेश बोलता है सर आपकी आवाज सुनने आए थे सर. Dhiren Chai says, so you have always something new to give. Oh, Samir Trivedi say, I've attended a session in Hotel Green Park, Hyderabad. Through you, I introduced my friend to the stock market. Arey, Samir, those are good days. कितनी बिरयानी वहां हमने खाई. This Green Park was a lovely hotel. And every night we used to eat biryani. I miss that biryani. आशिम से बैक टेस्टिंग इज चार्जेबल. मुझे भी तो आशिम अपना घर चलाना है कि नहीं चलाना है. बीवी बच्चे हैं, उनको कुछ गिफ्ट वगैरह देना होता है. कल मैंने अपनी वाइफ को बुके दिया था, उसने 800 रुपये मांग लिए, तो कुछ तो कमाना पड़ेगा. We, the old students, get this course at a discounted price. Yeah, old students get a alag price. है. Contact the team and they will help you. If you're an old student, you don't pay this price. You have a different price because you are doing the course again. Kid to say, I want to subscribe the rocket strategy, but want to know how it works in real. It is a option buying breakout, Kitu. It is a nifty option buying breakout where there are option breakouts of at the money, in the money, and out of money. That's how the strategy works. And most of the profit comes in the first 30 minutes of the market. Will training be in English as I do not know Hindi? Yeah, training will be in English. My training is in English, Sarvanan. Vipul Shah have attended at Hotel Monarch in Bangalore. Yeah, we were in Hotel Monarch also. Okay, guys, almost 118. Now, one last risk management concept I want to teach you. I've taught you fundamental, technical. Now, let's teach a risk management concept. Now, let's take it from here. Okay. Now, if I, and while what another thing I will do now is I'll now put a 10-minute timer. 1:30 I'll close. I'm putting a timer of 10 minutes. And those who want to pay, you can pay in these 10 minutes. There's only one seat left. And after that, this offer will close. What is the offer? The offer is the 60,000 course you're getting in 39,999 only. And all the strategy baskets worth 39,200 rupees you are getting free for 1 month to try. A hardcover physical book is sent to you, and four four physical stock market books are sent to you. And all those who have paid, the four people who have already paid, your sessions will be from 4 o'clock today, half an hour sessions with me. My team will coordinate you after 2 o'clock. They're very busy sending this 200 rupees and 300 rupees, but Devendra will be coordinating and he will be working with you here. Ichimoku, I've not finished. So here we got it, and then we have a target in this. The target is 2 times that of this simple method will give you a lot of money. Now let's learn the last topic of the day, risk management. Now let's say the price here, this is a double bottom. Whenever the price comes on a double bottom, there is a buying opportunity. There is a buying opportunity. Sure, Mr. Chanda Mishra, they will call you. But I strongly recommend to learn, because once you learn, you have command in your own hand. It's only 39,000 rupees. बहुत बड़ा amount नहीं. Learn. You're getting this offer, use it. See here now. Pay attention, eh? Now, price came here. And from here, the price jumped up. So this becomes my entry. This is my entry. Now, tell me, what is my risk in downward direction? What is my risk in downward direction? Unlimited. And what is the potential profit in upward direction? Unlimited. So, there are four scenarios that can happen. Big profit. Everything can be done with algo, so you don't have to do any manual trading. The beauty with trading, learning with me is zero manual trading. आराम से जॉब करो, छुट्टियों पे जाओ, ऐप है, ऐप पे देख लो. Big profit, small loss, big loss. Big loss. Now tell me, out of these, which one is the most dangerous? Out of this, which one is the most dangerous? The big loss. So the first thing you have to do is to remove the big loss. That is by planning a stop loss and keep a target two times that of the risk. 789 rupees, about 1500. I'm keeping my target. And you can see now my target is achieved. Entry, exit, stop loss, trade. This is the key to trading that you have to look for. Guys, 125. Last 5 minutes of the offer. I will share the link again one last time for the offer. Guys, somebody asked for a personal number. My personal mobile number I don't share. It is only for my students. Once you will come into the one-to-one session with me, the first thing I'll share with you will be the personal mobile number. Okay, guys. Last 5 minutes of the offer. This is the timer going on. Okay, again. Start. This is the timer I've started. Last 5 minutes of the offer. And any queries, any questions you have, you can ask me. How to take basket opportunities, Sahil. Sahil, once you have registered, you can buy the basket. You can just go there, follow the process, and buy the basket. Once you have made your account, log in into your account, then go to the basket and follow the process and buy the basket. Overall success rate of algo trading is almost 80%. I'll show you. I will show you. Wait a minute. That's a good question. Give me a minute. I'll show you last week's performance. Okay, this is last week's performance of the baskets. So I'll go here, I'll go to the baskets and see here if I move to the basket and set custom date. Let's see how is the performance in the last 1 week, Monday to Friday. Apply. A profit of 2,08,349 rupees. Out of all the baskets, the basket that gave the maximum profit was a 10 lakh intraday basket idea. Then second one was 5 lakh basket. Commodity daily income basket gave 11,000 rupees. They were losing baskets also, but very less. So overall, as you can see, all the baskets were in profit. The price outside the BWS, but as soon as I click it, the price become 1,500. Oh, ये हुआ था, ध्यान है, पहले वो 1,500 वाला था. Thank you for pointing out. अभी ठीक करवाता हूँ. Give me a minute. Hmm, just 1 minute. 1 मिनट में करा देता हूँ. 1 लाख रुपीज कैपिटल रिक्वायर्ड. हर्षद, जो ये रॉकेट वाली बास्केट है ना, इसमें ऊपर 1,000 रुपए का प्राइस लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन जब लोग अंदर जा रहे हैं तो उसमें 1,500 रुपए दिख रहा है. उसको ठीक करो जरा. इमीडिएटली ठीक करो. किसी को पे करना है लेकिन कर नहीं पा रहा है. ठीक है. ओके गाइस, सो दिस इज द परफॉर्मेंस राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. कैपिटल रिक्वायर्ड 10,000 भी चलेगा, 10 करोड़ भी चलेगा. रॉकेट के लिए 1 लाख रुपए लगता है. ओके गाइस, 1 minute and 16 seconds left. Last chance for you to take the course और सब्सक्राइब. स्ट्रैटेजी तो आप बाद में भी सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो, उसमें कोई ऑफर वॉफर नहीं है, पर कोर्स में ऑफर है. Meditation is also an integral part of my course. I believe the more grounded we are, the much better we go for. My team will call you guys after this session. Your RM will call you. All of you are assigned an RM. Your RM will call you. You can ask him any questions you want. Any queries you want, you can ask him. Those who have said, yes, we want to do the course, you can pay, or you can talk to your RM and pay after that. यदि आपको ये कोर्स में वैल्यू ना दिखे तो मुझसे पैसे वापस ले लीजिए. Okay, guys, time is over. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed today's sessions. So let's pray that you all are successful. Let me finish with a prayer. Om Sena Vavatu Senav Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinam Vadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you very much and God bless you.